The best topic today would be this newspaper. Why is it that COVID-19 is targeting prominent people? You would think that they understand. You would think that they get information. You would think that they have all the availabilities. They have the funds to hide in their houses.
Yeah.
Unlike peasants. And when you talk about Oranya, there are also three prominent people hiding.
Yeah.
Who are in critical conditions. Kati is a summa conspiracy theory. Nkugamba. COVID-19 started in China. Where did it start? In one of their research center cities.
In Wuhan.
Nemba andikira mu katabu. Whoever thought, because when I look at COVID-19 using my conspiracy theories, it might have been made to undermine the Chinese booming economy.
Okay.
Abachina boche bakola bakambwe. Printed new currency. Nze walionda byekone sente nkadde mbula mugwa.
Obera na mpya.
Nze Mirundi bera na sente nkadde.
Obera na
The
mpya.
Chinese printed new currency. Ndisibe na sente nkadde.
Naye wagobe nkadde kati.
Mu life yange anti nzikiriza mubiri. Kakati biri oyinza okuwa sente nkadde zibawandde.
Tebyagala bukadde.
The Chinese printed new currency.
Yeah.
Era tuwaliyo sente abantu bazisanga mu akaunti zaabwe.
But ensonga esikukutambuza
The Chinese sealed off cities. The Chinese. Kakati mwebabuuza ne mbagamba. Can anybody tell me why the Chinese targeted the blacks? Abachina kati nganza akiza mu conspiracy theories. Bategeera nti yatwala akawuka China yali black American. They targeted blacks, Africans. China that has been accusing other people of being imperialists. China that has been a friend of Africans. Whom did the Chinese attack?
Tamale, ogeza kutugamba tina COVID-19 yono. Yava mu America ogende China.
Yava China ne kabakanyugira. Prime Minister wa Italy yazina amazina naganti Chinese movie. Trump naganti that is a Chinese disease.
Yeah.
Era Pompeo, you see for me, ntunulira nnyo quote abakulembeze ze boogera. Pompeo yagamba, the former Secretary of the United States, unless we get information from China, it will be very difficult to eradicate COVID-19 because the Chinese have not given us information. When the World Health Organization man tried to get information from China, Trump cut off aid to World Health Organization. Nze statements na training okusoma statements z'abakulembeze.
Yeah.
I depend on quotes. Nti bwe bakoba Pearl Harbor eyali president wa America yagamba we can negotiate but not forced to negotiate and we shall not negotiate under pressure.
Okay.
Prime Minister wa Israel Netanyahu yagambye if the people's destiny to us is to take us to the opposition, we humbly accept. Let us go to the opposition and fight this bad government. Kufu yagamba, we decided to come to court. Now that the court has pronounced itself that the elections were not rigged, then we must accept the court ruling. Waliwo bannange bendaba. Let him not come into my lane. You are admitting one thing. We are all drivers.
Okay.
We are tipper because you are speeding at the same speed like I'm speeding. Unless it does not meander into my lane. Is a country lane. Never be Joe. A way of giving me money. I will not allow this man to access his project. Okay. You said a rich Mirundi is dangerous. but have you tested if a rich Mirundi is a nuclear bomb, then a poor Mirundi is a marijuana smoker. Byombiso byagala kakati nkubulya negamba. I look at this. My brother died. Naye ku kisaawe Entebbe badde bamuyita Tamale Mirundi. Era yajjanga nti ojje abantu bakutegeere. Abalala bafudde baliwa. Abalala bafudde baliwa ku kisaawe Entebbe. Mukazi wange was targeted kubattanga abakazi. Yali amulwalinga into trap. Naye fortunately namugamba nti nvudde bweru nyinza okugulira emmotoka na biki. My wife, they drive the best. I have all the tribes of vehicles. Nsobola kuwasa nti ndi mukadde. I traced this man. I dismantled the group etta abakazi. Organ ne balumbe mukazi wange. I dismantled. That's why they are in Hague. Next month, on the 3rd, you will see people going to Hague. Their chairperson has decided to fake sickness, babagala Hague. Sekuddayo kuwulira mugundi. Ku Zoom. Attacking my family. Mutani wange bamukuba. Naye yamukuba. Yakuba abantu jjo nakuba amasasi. Okyamuwulirayo ate waffe nasabayo death penalty. Bajja baba mwaso omuntu. Kakati nze nkugamba. If President Museveni believes that the coronavirus is a health problem, it is not a health problem. You explain to me, these are people who make news. These are people who make news. In America, the same. When you look at the people who were the first people to be killed by coronavirus, it's the same. Musicians, artists. At one time, even the Queen was evacuated. Prince Henry, the Prime Minister of Britain, is just different from fear. Therefore, coronavirus cannot be approached from one angle. Me, I'm tempted to believe, as a student of conspiracy theories, tuyinza n'okubanga tuyinamu abantu abagemebwa edda nga bo tekabakwata naye nga bakatambuza. When I look into my phone, most of the people bembadde manya bali prominent are dead. How? Lumbe ekirumu.
Olunonyamu abanene bokka.
Olunonyamu abanene bokka.
Abaana batusena okugamba nti kawuka k'abagagga.
Nti asi kawuka k'abagagga naye waffe era kayi baatugamba nti abaava e Tanzania baabaloga. Baabaloga ekituufu. Kakati kyenkubulira, this is an international. My advice to government is simple. Government must send people to China. This is the only time we are sending people to China. We should take people to China for advisors. The only people that have defeated this virus without a cure are the Chinese. The Chinese. If you people think that we are very close to China, I think as a theorist, waliwo abalaga nti abange oba muli bakwano ba China nga tebayamba. Kubanga if we had moved to balokole in America, the balokole will bring drugs here. True. Somebody is telling you that these people, the Chinese, much as you rely on them, they are not reliable. They cannot save you from danger. Era bw'otunuulira G8 here today, their struggle was on China, Biden and the group, how to neutralize China. Kakati, it seems where I was disappointed, Museveni kuganti hostage. Me I cannot support. Kubanga nkubuulira ne gamba nti Museveni akoze ebintu bingi nnyo nga si hostage. Museveni has defeated. Museveni wherever there was a rebellion in Teso. Today we are talking about a vice president from Teso. Museveni defeated a rebellion in northern Uganda. At one time, Kony was threatening to enter southern part at Kaluma. Museveni yatekawo convoys ez'amagye to escort. ADF was fighting in Kasese at one time. ADF captured Mpondo. This is when I saw Museveni with his AK-47. We had a rebellion in Teso. We had a rebellion in northern Uganda. We had a rebellion by ADF in Kasese. We also had a rebellion in Uganda.
Not suppressing.
But what is missing, the missing link is, at that time Museveni was not a hostage.
This time around is a hostage.
He's a hostage. Kakati, what we should do is to create a group. We must create a group to counter. Fortunately for me, oh, you Musenero. This time around, I challenge Musenero and have group to take me to the president. I will dismantle you. I will expose you to your bone marrows. My machines are intact. I have been recording meetings on how they share. One, you will see people printing exams. Two, you will see people demanding money to give relief. You will see people demanding money to buy masks. I was told, I heard in their meetings, watching them, that Diana raised the issue of relief before the president, and Museveni shouted him hard down. Is it true or not true? How do we save Museveni from captivity? The Rukungiri group made it. What we have to do is to save Museveni from captivity. His so-called scientists are not scientists. Let them show us their profile. Yes. And for how long will Ugandans suffer? Museveni yamanya nti eriyo phase 2
ya COVID-19.
He renewed my contract. Bagenda ne bamugamba nti omusajja tumuliriunga contract n'abagamba I'm going to renew him for 10 years.
Yakuwa 10 years.
Museveni n'agoba Kalolo Okulutu.
More than even is the
Kalolo Okulutu abadde tava ku Museveni before appointment of the chief. N'akwatako omuntu omu omujoze nnyo aneereegamu. Muganda nga Kalolo tokeereegamu n'amuteekako ewantu ejjoogo lyonna ne limugwamu omanya abagamba I will sabotage him. Sabotage me. Nze nkuba kati. Kati nze nkubattula paka lw'onakkiriza. Let us drive in some different lanes as you are talking. Akati nkugamba nti do you believe Museveni ogenda okuneutralizing Diana n'achange kuba had already praised a change n'amuleetera Kawooya ne Muhanga eyo olowooza nti omukazi akyalinayo amaanyi. The only people can neutralize Diana kuba Diana tayinza mugoba dokita we. Diana tayinza mugoba lwaki taata we y'omu ku basajja abasatu lwakasiisi be yatta. Yes.
Okay.
Kakati Diana tayinza mugoba but has effectively neutralized Diana.
Okay.
Nti eri Omuhanga tumuyita wakuzannya Jeno Muhanga mwenda eyo family.
Okay.
Ontajja mushoutinga down. Hajati Kawooya. Ya.
Simwangu.
Ajja kuyola kana akakazi akafulumya eddirisa. Eyo ministry agikoze eki.
Neutralizing.
Najjajjayo Lumumba. I talked to Lumumba. Yamugamba nti Lumumba. Omanyi Lumumba sister wange.
Okay.
Yajja n'alaba ne maama wange. Era these days bw'ovuma abantu nga teyakomawo muwala wange kundaba. Waliwo n'egundi eyamuwonya okumwokya. That's why I'm not a tribalist. Lumumba is paka musoko va musambi. Kankunda is Munyankole.
Okay.
Eyayamba mama wange singa nalwiso yaliwo mama wange yali badde mufu. Ye yajja president mu meeting n'amugamba nti
nalwiso yagaliza abantu okufa.
Abaganda bomba manyabo.
Kakati oli Muganda.
Kakati nkugamba nti otafiiri n'amuteeka mu internal affairs. Ono omukazi yamugamba a clue. Museveni directed yakulo to arrest 2 people abali muleyo olw'okubba amasannyalaze olw'okubba sente z'amasannyalaze akulo n'agaana. Museveni abuuza are these idiots still breathing in Uganda ni air? Akulo yagaana omukwata kakati nkyakala akola agaane otafiira mukanyuge mu ddirisa otavira the wait
mzee Tamale
kakati nkugamba nti muhwezo olwatuddewo basuspect abakatumba tebatandise bakwata omwomu
batandise bakwata
these are liberated areas kakati nze nkugamba nti Museveni yategeera he knew Museveni lokusifa eno situation agimanyi yagitegeera n'agipulaningira kakati the situation we have eriemu nti bano mwe temunnategeera nti Yesu yazuukidde nti Diana takyalina maanyi Prime Minister's office erimu ono mukazi Nabbanja n'abawulidde nga bagamba the issue is not being in government, the issue is maneuvering. Wamate mwakyogedde wamanchi kube ate nina ne video wamanchi kube bye mwayogedde kakati nze nkugamba kye tulina okukola kiri kimu. We should not glorify Musenero's committee. Musenero talina patent. Nabawulidde nga bagamba, have you talked to the doctor? Yes, the doctor is intelligent and he is ready to deal with us. Okitegedde Musenero ngenda kuba Musenero wa Musenero
under 24 kusonga ya covid yennyini cyali kusonga ya covid because ndaba tujitudeka kadde kandi
anti nkubulidde kye kikulu ekiriwo
that is je kituufu kikulu
ekiriwo kakati kankubulire do you know nti akakiiko akali kakulirwa Katongole kakuŋŋaanya ssente ne kagenda mu Toyota ne kanegotiatinga ne Toyota ne baba discount more than 200 vehicles are coming. Kakati akakiiko ka Musenero kaagala gamba nti ke kaziguze. Has anybody told you that the Katongole committee, the money got from donations, they went to Toyota, negotiated a discount, and the 200 vehicles are coming? Ne Museveni yaiza kubanga takimanyi.
Tewali bukyayogeddwako.
Yes. Kubanga mmwe mbagamba nti mmwe ekisibu ekibaliko nti bamafiya babalimba bamafiya beefuula ab'ekitalo zisina wa kitalo gwenda bamu banga nga nagambye nti oyo alidduka mu Uganda bw'anaaba tanvuddeeko is up to him. Nze munwanye naye emyaka 8 amuwo hardened. If it is driving in different lanes, who should leave the other? Go antandika noyingirira njo bankufumuleyo byonna byemukola mbimanyi. Kakati nkugamba nti bakatongole bagula emmotoka ekitegeeza bano bahamu Museveni tagamba kubanga tulina kakati we are zeroing on what? President Museveni tazaawo mmere no relief. President Museveni tazaawo gondi but you know
masks
people have been buying them. That's what I told you. Nti Museveni undermined his early achievements by a total lockdown.
Prime Minister yagambye bagenda ko bayamba bana Uganda vulnerable poor bagenda ko basente mobile money.
Anti kakati nkubuulira.
Kani beta mtegera bwe bantu.
Anti let me tell you. Nti ekyo nakyo kankibabuulire. President Kati kiyo kitegedde. Kiri. The Katongole committee collected money, negotiated with the Toyota to bring us more than 200 vehicles. Yeah. Has anybody said about it?
No.
Because once you mention this, the 200 vehicles are coming, arising from money collected on the initiative of the president. Then they will not have the excuse of buying a new vehicles. Yeah. Musenero tajja kufuna excuse ya kubba. Is the doctor cooperating? Musenero wali duse.
Yavuze ku nsonga ya relief. Tuze ku nsonga ya relief.
Relief teriyo.
Prime yabadde yogera byanja.
Museveni should not involve himself in relief. No.
What should be done?
Yesterday nabadde owaponye. Aponye nakugamba nti ebijanjalo bine babiwamu ettaka. Era aponye namugambye nti yampadde ssente. Naye aponye namugambye nti I'm happy that you recognize that I helped you. That's Mirundi. Mirundi does not operate on money. If anybody goes to Aponye's place, mu biseera bino yalowooza nti agenda kujjayo ssente. I told you Aponye. Aponye I'm happy nti when I ring you you respond. Others don't. Era bagambye nti ssente za gundi media za zedda mugende ewa Nabbanja mumugambe Mirundi mumuwenga 3 million per program nga program ze zonna nga mumusuma meka mumusuma temwachogedde nti Nabanja should give me 5 million 10 million per week mumusumye meka nedde mugenda kusuma meka mu why should you give me 10 million per week mumusumye meka basajja mu ngenda bakuba ku social media muduke mulabe ko bakubira wano ko batirawo wait